We've had some users request that the installer's Check Measure Worksheet, instead of it being printed out, be redirected and output to an Excel spreadsheet so that the user can then design their own Excel spreadsheet based report for the check measure. So what we've done here is allow you to go into the purchase order style, and across here you'll notice there's different tabs, and there's the installer's check measure. So we can choose the check measure, the installer that's doing the check measure. We can tell the system that it's going to be Excel, and we can update. What we can then do is tell it where the template is that it's going to load the data into, and typically it'll be in the templates folder, and in my case it's in the CDBS templates, and I have a folder file in here, an Excel spreadsheet called Check Measure Template, and that then updates all the necessary information so that it's all ready to go. How do you create this file? Well, that's pretty simple. All you have to do is open up Excel and save a blank Excel spreadsheet into that templates folder, wherever we were looking at before. In my case it's here. In most everyone else's systems it'll be up on their network somewhere, and we can just select that, and that then tells the system that that's the Excel spreadsheet to use. So now when we go into an order and we print it, it loads the data into that Excel spreadsheet. Now you'll see here that it actually tells you where it's put it. It also puts a copy of it into your customers folder. So whoever the customer is in this case, it will put a copy of that Excel spreadsheet into their folder as well, into that quote folder. But the reason why we put it into this, give you the ability to put it into this specific folder here, is because you may want to set up a folder where all of your check measures get put. So we've got it in the DBS folder. You might create a subfolder called check measures and point it to that, and it'll put all of your check measure Excel spreadsheets into that folder. So you can see here it's prefixed with check measure, Drake company, the installer, the customer name, the quote number, and the purchase order number on the end of it. So when you open it up and we scroll to the beginning, you'll see all the information that's been loaded into that for you. So you then have another one here. You can call this whatever you like, and you can set that up to have the data appear in whatever format you like. So you obviously need a little bit of Excel spreadsheet knowledge to get that happening, but the people that have asked for it have all of that. So we've now output the check measures to the Excel spreadsheets. Thanks.